The red-lipped batfish, a fish that looks like it's wearing lipstick. In the vast and diverse underwater world, few creatures are as peculiar and intriguing as the red-lipped batfish Ogcocephalus darwini, found predominantly around the Galápagos Islands and off the coast of Peru. This bottom-dwelling fish is a true testament to the wonders of evolution. With its vibrant red lips and unique body structure, it has captivated the attention of marine biologists and ocean enthusiasts alike. A unique appearance. The most striking feature of the red-lipped batfish is, unsurprisingly, its vivid red lips. These lips appear as though the fish has applied a thick layer of crimson lipstick, giving it a cartoonish and almost comical look. While the exact purpose of these lips is still a topic of research, it is believed they may play a role in species recognition or mating, helping individuals distinguish one another in the dimly lit depths of the ocean. The batfish's body is equally unusual. It has a flattened shape with a triangular head and an elongated snout. Its pectoral fins resemble legs, which it uses to walk along the ocean floor rather than swimming like most fish. This adaptation allows the batfish to maneuver through its benthic environment with surprising ease. Its brownish-gray body, dotted with darker spots, provides excellent camouflage against sandy and rocky seabeds, behavior, and habitat. Red-lipped batfish are demersal creatures, meaning they spend most of their time on or near the ocean floor. They are typically found at depths of 10 to 120 meters in tropical and subtropical waters. Their slow, deliberate movements make them seem almost clumsy, yet this lifestyle is perfectly suited to their hunting strategy. As carnivores, red-lipped batfish feed on small fish, crustaceans, and invertebrates. They use a specialized lure known as an esca, which extends from their head. This appendage emits chemical signals to attract prey, a feature that places them in the anglerfish family. Once the unsuspecting prey ventures close, the batfish quickly snaps it up. Evolutionary marvel. The adaptations of the red-lipped batfish are a fascinating example of evolution in action. Its walking fins, bright red lips, and hunting lure are all tailored to its unique ecological niche. These features highlight the incredible diversity of marine life and the ways organisms evolve to survive in their specific environments. Conservation and study. While not currently considered endangered, red-lipped batfish inhabit regions that face increasing threats from human activity, such as pollution, overfishing, and climate change. Protecting marine ecosystems like the Galápagos is crucial for preserving the diverse life forms that call these habitats home. Studying species like the red-lipped batfish can also provide insights into evolutionary biology and the resilience of marine organisms. Conclusion: the red-lipped batfish is more than just a quirky-looking fish. It is a symbol